Sometimes we go through stuff, hard stuff, and get so caught up in our own problems that we might forget what's going on around us. The people that we love go through things as well, and it's important to listen to them. Not judge, not criticize, but just listen, with wide open ears. How can we expect to be received like this without treating others the same way? Because sometimes that's all we need, someone to hear us vent completely. I know you might be stressed out, maybe a bill is due in the upcoming days or an unpleasant disruption will occur in the near future. But if you stress too much about something before it happens, you basically put yourself through it twice. Because if you are not actively pursuing the resolution head on, there's no time to be wasted. Focus on matters when they arrive, otherwise you're robbing your own time. By doing so, you're reminded of what's really important, what you can't buy: time, love, peace, and happiness. If you have a son or daughter, no matter the age, ask them how their day was. Listen to them wholeheartedly. If you have an intimate partner, demonstrate your appreciation for their company. If a friend or a family member just got amazing news, drop the ego, feel out their body language, and mirror their excitement and enthusiasm. Or if they're going through something difficult, listen to them all the way through without interruption. Then, drop small nuggets of advice at the end, but in a sincere manner. There should be no lecturing. Think critically about your delivery too. Let them drive the conversation. The more you say, the more likely you are to say something foolish. This genuine concern for their betterment roots a powerful bond between people. The most progressive form of communication is when both parties learn from one another and come to a mutual agreement. To do this, however, would be to start with muting your ego. That is the killer of empathy. Take it easy.